In this video, we're going to use the trigonometric ratios to find the values of x, y, and the angle beta. Let's start by solving the value of y. We will use the angle 32 degrees and also the function sine. So sine 32 degrees is equal to the opposite side, that is y, all over the hypotenuse, that is 53 centimeters. So y here is the opposite side, and 53 is the hypotenuse. And this confirms the formula that we can remember, where we have SOH and sine is equal to, or sine 32 degrees is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Now sine 32 degrees is all over 1. Then we cross multiply them together. So y times 1 is y. And 53 times sine 32 degrees. If we plug that in our calculator, it will give us, so 53 sine 32 degrees will give us 28.09 centimeters if we're gonna use two decimal places. So y is equal to 28.09 centimeters. Let's solve for the value of x. And we're also going to use trigonometric ratios, particularly the cosine function. So cosine 32 degrees is equal to the adjacent side, that is x, over the hypotenuse, that is 53. So for sine, that will be SOH, and for cosine, we're gonna have KA. So adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Again, the left side is all over 1. So if you cross multiply them together, x times 1 is x, and 53 cosine 32 degrees will give us, so plugging in, we have 53 cosine 32 degrees will give us 44.95 centimeters. And that will be the value of x using two decimal places. So here we have x is equal to 44.95 centimeters. Next, we're going to solve for the value of angle beta. And there are many ways to solve for the angle beta. So we're going to use one method, and that is using the function tangent. Now, tangent beta is equal to the opposite side is x, all over the adjacent side is y. So SOH, KA, TOA, where O represents the opposite side, that is x, and the adjacent side, that is the value of y. To get the value of beta, we're going to use the inverse tangent. So beta is equal to the inverse tangent of x and y, and x has a value of 44.95 centimeters all over 28.09 centimeters. And if we plug this in our calculator, we're going to get, so shift tangent 44.95 all over 28.09. This will give us 57, or we're going to have 58 degrees. And there you go. We have y is equal to 28.09 centimeters, x is equal to 44.95 centimeters, and beta is equal to 58 degrees. Now if we're going to check the value of beta, we can see here that if we get the summation of the interior angles, let's say summation of interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So beta plus 90 degrees plus 32 degrees, is it equal to 180 degrees? Well, beta has a value of 58 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 32 degrees, and is the left side equal to the right side? So we have 58 plus 90 plus 32. This gives us exactly 180 degrees. Therefore, beta is equal to 58 degrees.